So we are on FreeCodeCamp and we are tackling this challenge, which is to basically return the string with the first letter of each word is capitalized. I'm just going to run that return statement for now, and we're going to start. To start off with, what we need to do is we need to basically say to take the string and put it into an array, and the array needs to be the array of words. Okay. So to do that, we create a variable, and I'm going to say string.split. And the reason why we store it into a variable is because we're going to access that variable. Now, when I say const first letter caps, and I'm going to set that equal to words, which is obviously the array we just created, and we're going to map through the array, and we're going to say the word as like that, and we're going to say word dot char at. This method over here basically says look at the first character. Okay, look at the first character. Obviously in JavaScript, you know, it starts from 0. Now that we've got the first character, what do we need to do with that first character? Well, we're going to ask it to make it to uppercase. And obviously the reason why I could do this all in one line is because it is method chaining, as I believe what it's called off the top of my head. And then we're going to say plus word. Now we're going to say dot slice, and we're going to put that to 1, and then we're going to say 2 lowercase, which basically then it takes the word. So if you look at, for example, little, yeah, this is what it's doing for every single word. It's essentially separating that, yeah, making this capital, and then making all the rest lowercase, because that's what it asks us to do. The last thing to do here is to put in just the brackets like that, or rather the parentheses, rather. And then we're going to say, well, what do we need to do now? Do you know? We need to create another variable. I'm going to call this result, and over here I'm just going to put return result because we'll need to use that later. They're all separated right now. Remember that. So essentially, what this kind of looks like right now is I'm only going to show you the word little. It looks like this. Yeah, the L is all separate. Yeah, the L is separate, and we want to join it. No, sorry. Obviously, it's an array and it's split, and we need to join it together. So to do that, we're going to take the variable we created here, which now, well, obviously it's done it. We've now got every single word capitalized, but we need to join them back together again. So that's right. We're going to use join, and we just do something as simple as that. So now, if I was to go with just put these things here like that and click run test, you see that it works. So let's quickly look at this again and summarize. The split is used to split the input string into an array of words. Map, we iterate over each word and we capitalize the first letter whilst making everything else lowercase. And then join is used to put the words back together again, or rather join together back into a string. And then we return the result, and the result is where the joined output is stored into. We return that, so no matter what you put in, it will return whatever you want, whatever it says here, for example. So yeah, that's how you solve this challenge. I hope you found it interesting and beneficial, and I will see you in the next video.